Have you ever truly felt that your ongoing conventional marketing efforts are completely falling flat, as if some powerful invisible energy is continuously and persistently rejecting profitable new orders from seamlessly entering your primary business account? What if I told you the simple, elusive secret to creating an absolutely irresistible, high-converting sales vibration might not actually lie within complex, expensive sales funnels, but in precisely how you deliberately activate the inherent energy of a specific crystal stone kept in your pocket? We are certainly not going to delve into unsubstantiated mystical topics today, but rather a potent psychological self-priming technique heavily supported by behavioral scientists regarding the profound, fundamental power of deeply held conviction and self-belief. I promise you this: you will quickly understand how performing this seemingly ancient ritual can significantly boost your personal self-efficacy and demonstrably, tangibly multiply your current sales levels effectively. Are you fundamentally ready to transform a simple, natural mineral stone into the single most powerful mental biohacking tool for achieving your ultimate financial success and stability? Many diligent business owners incorrectly spend all their available time and hard-earned working capital on implementing external, visible marketing strategies, yet they tragically neglect the internal, crucial factor that is far more decisive: their own mentality and unwavering self-confidence. When confidently engaging with potential high-value clients, internal conflict invariably arises when the intense, paralyzing fear of potential rejection severely weakens your sales intention, causing your voice to sound hesitant and shaky, and consequently, projecting a clear energy of expected failure toward prospective buyers. This weakened psychological condition automatically triggers unconvincing and hesitant sales behavior, ultimately resulting in the unnecessary loss of highly valuable orders that should have rightfully belonged to your business from the start. Isn't it incredibly frustrating and demoralizing when you already possess a great product or service, but your own limiting mind becomes the primary, unavoidable obstacle to consistently attracting revenue? Let us intentionally view this entire crystal charging procedure not as a magical energy transfer ritual from an external source, but rather as a highly effective psychological priming ritual that focuses entirely and exclusively on strengthening your own core self-belief and internal conviction. In the serious, established world of behavioral psychology, this fascinating phenomenon is scientifically recognized as the placebo effect, where your strong, positive belief in an energized object demonstrably triggers beneficial chemical and neurological changes within your physical brain. Research strongly indicates that positive expectation can significantly increase the release of beneficial endorphins and dopamine, which directly boosts your mood, enhances focus, and increases your courage when communicating under intense pressure. The crystal stone subsequently serves as a constant visual anchor that physically locks in this positive conviction, instantly shifting your deeply held thought patterns from detrimental scarcity to abundant possibility. The first required and fundamental step in this transformative ritual is the initial cleansing, which powerfully functions as a metaphor to consciously and completely erase all internal mental noise and self-doubt that actively inhibit your ultimate sales potential and performance. Just as a physical crystal must be thoroughly cleansed of any previously absorbed negative energy, you must simultaneously cleanse your mind of all past failures and any lingering shame about debt that currently haunts your professional thoughts. The practical technique is incredibly simple. Before charging, hold your chosen crystal under cool running water while verbally and firmly declaring, "I release all doubts and financial fears that no longer serve my highest good and professional purpose." This crucial, deliberate ritual successfully creates a strong mental commitment to starting absolutely fresh, ensuring you do not carry heavy emotional burdens into the high-stakes sales environment. Open loop. There is one very specific, common crystal that you should absolutely never place inside your wallet, which I will fully reveal at the dramatic end of the video. This essential initial mental cleansing is critically important because it effectively restores the absolute clarity of your core business intent, successfully ensuring your motivation is truly focused on providing immense value and serving your clientele, not solely on frantically chasing monetary gain blindly. A clean, clear, and focused intent will naturally radiate a powerful energy of calmness and genuine confidence, which is extraordinarily attractive to intelligent, highly discerning prospective customers who value authenticity. When you are confident and internally calm, you tend to be far less overtly pushy in your necessary sales approach, which ironically results in customers feeling significantly more comfortable and eager to immediately purchase from your business. Strategically removing debilitating internal mental noise is the fundamental cornerstone needed for the crystal charging ritual to effectively work with its true maximum psychological strength and power. The second powerful and decisive step is the energy charging, which is when you consciously and intensely implant your specific sales goals and deep self-convictions into your chosen crystal, fully and actively activating the powerful placebo effect. Place your selected crystal either under the natural light of a full moon or simply hold it securely in your hands while vividly visualizing with immense detail that substantial orders are currently flowing effortlessly and abundantly into your corporate bank account without any form of resistance. This focused, active visualization acts as a potent priming technique that spiritually binds the stone with your positive abundance narrative, successfully transforming it into a powerful, tangible, physical anchor for your newly reinforced self-belief. This crucial charging ritual must always be performed when your mind is naturally most relaxed and receptive, such as just before you peacefully fall asleep or immediately upon waking in the early morning. Strong, immersive visualization during this deliberate charging process will significantly and immediately enhance your core self-efficacy, which is your deep internal conviction that you possess the inherent, necessary ability to sell effectively and achieve your desired financial outcomes effortlessly. Every time you consciously glance at the now charged crystal resting visibly on your desk, your brain instantly and automatically recalls the powerful visualization of success you meticulously implanted, triggering a rapid, immediate surge of professional confidence. This consistently heightened self-confidence will noticeably and positively reflect in your decisive tone of voice, your open, inviting body language, and your strengthened ability to successfully resist detrimental lowball price negotiations from demanding buyers. Remember this essential truth: successfully closing sales is often primarily determined not by the actual quality of the product, but by the tangible level of conviction you powerfully project to the client at that precise moment of decision. The third essential step is daily anchoring, which involves deliberately using your charged crystal as a constant, subtle visual reminder to take consistent, inspired action every single day, rather than passively waiting for miracles or luck to suddenly appear. Place the activated crystal right next to your mobile phone or conspicuously on your workspace, so it is clearly visible whenever you need to make a tough, high-stakes sales call or finalize a difficult pricing decision. This physical crystal actively functions as a constant priming stimulus that subtly urges you to take bolder, more optimistic actions and to focus entirely on visible market opportunities rather than fearfully attempting to avoid potential failure. Action that is genuinely motivated by deep-seated, unwavering conviction will always possess a significantly greater magnetic pull for attracting high-value potential customers and business deals. The most critical psychological factor actively combated and mitigated by this disciplined ritual is the pervasive human tendency to make quick, impulsive, and financially detrimental decisions when placed under intense emotional duress. The charged crystal successfully acts as a gentle, physical reminder to instantly return to the calm, focused state you deliberately established during the ritual, before you defensively react to any unexpected rejection or setback. This essential daily anchoring process effectively helps you maintain a stable, firm selling price and quickly resist the powerful temptation to give excessive, unwarranted discounts simply because you are suddenly feeling desperate for a sale. Successful long-term selling absolutely demands unwavering patience, and this charged crystal is your constant visual reminder of the deep internal patience you have internally programmed yourself to possess. Closing the open loop. The one specific crystal that must be avoided for placement in your wallet or any critical negotiation space is amethyst, because although it is excellent for deep meditation and achieving profound peace of mind, its specific color, purple, is psychologically associated more with spirituality and calm inner reflection, rather than the aggressive hustle energy and material wealth attraction needed for sales. The 3 practical steps for sales success are: 1. Completely cleanse your mind of all doubt. 2. Intensely charge your core conviction with powerful visualization. And 3. Utilize the crystal as a daily anchor for developing unwavering high self-efficacy. In conclusion, the powerful, true strength of this crystal charging ritual does not truly lie within the inert mineral itself, but resides entirely in the indomitable power of your own mind and deep self-belief that is effectively activated and significantly amplified by consistently performing the ritualistic process. This simple ritual serves as a profound and highly effective psychological tool to consistently prime your mind to be perpetually vigilant for every possible opportunity and confidently possess the necessary conviction to take immediate, inspired action. Always remember that your external financial reality is merely a direct, faithful reflection of the internal beliefs you firmly choose to hold, and massive orders only genuinely flow to those who visibly project an aura of deserving confidence and success. Never let skepticism steal this powerful mental biohacking tool that might hold the critical key to unlocking your true cash flow potential. You now possess a powerful ancient ritual and a precise modern psychological strategy to dramatically improve your personal sales performance quickly, requiring only a few focused minutes of dedicated effort each and every day. Begin your crystal cleansing and charging ritual tonight under the moon, or simply in a quiet space, and place that powerful anchor next to your phone tomorrow morning before attempting your very first sales call. If this unique insight into financial psychological priming has truly opened your mind to new strategic possibilities, please immediately show your enthusiastic support by hitting the like button and subscribing right now so we can continue to share unique, actionable psychological tricks to consistently boost your business and personal income.